Welcome back, channel subscribers, and to all the visitors as well, welcome. If you like the videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you really like the videos, become a subscriber. Try to keep the channel as interesting as possible. It's going to be on silver, a bit of travel, some sites around Australia and hopefully the world in time. And now I've got some video capture software. I'm going to revisit a video I did before on places to buy silver. First one here is Gainesville Coins. That's a US site, so they do international shipping. You can buy bullion there, bullion coin, and even your numismatics. They do silver and gold, and you can often get some really good products from there. So that's the first one, Gainesville Coins. Next one, if you're in Australia, there's the Perth Mint. You can see here we have the spot price in Australian dollars and US dollars. That's getting close together now ever since the Australian dollar hit parity last Friday. As I said in one of my videos before, it's hit that psychological barrier, but it didn't break through it. It's bounced back, come back a few cents. When it finally does break through that parity barrier, that psychological barrier, I think the Australian dollar will go much higher. I'm looking at the history of it. I might go into a chart on the history of the Australian dollar in a future video, because obviously that plays when you buy silver, especially here in Australia. The price may be going up in US dollars or going down in US dollars, but that doesn't necessarily correlate to the Australian dollar, because the Australian dollar is a resource currency. It's not affected quite the same way as other currencies. But we'll go into that in a later video. Here at the Perth Mint site, you can buy gold coins, gold cast bars, gold minted bars, silver coins. They do the kookaburra and the koalas, and silver bars is the one I reviewed earlier on, the kilo bar. It's still lonely, but hopefully we'll find a friend in the not too distant future. So that's the Perth Mint site. They also sell numismatics, collector coins. Next one is Ainsley Bullion. Just walk into Queen Street, Brisbane, the main street's down there, and you can buy silver or gold bullion straight there. Hand over your money, walk out of the store as you would at any other shop. I've got some good articles there on silver, buying gold and silver as well. Another one, another place to buy is First Majestic. They're a company that mines silver from Mexico and other places in South America, but mainly Mexico. And they have 1 ounce business strike rounds. They charge per ounce, so it doesn't matter whether you're buying it in kilo form or a business strike round, they charge you per ounce. So that's First Majestic. Another place you can buy, Bullion Borst. Here in Australia, perhaps a good place to buy lesser quantities if you want smaller quantities. He does do individual coins, bars, bulk bullions, has some specials. Kitco, most of people will know them from the charts, which I'll look at soon, but they also sell silver from 1 ounce silver rounds all the way up to a 500 cast silver bar. And if you can afford a 500 ounce cast silver bar, then congratulations to you. Michael Maloney says it'll take one of those to buy a house in the future. We'll see if his cycle's predictions come right. Be interesting to watch, interesting times. Another place, and one most Americans probably know, or most US residents, is MEX, American Precious Metal Exchange, and you can buy even platinum and palladium there, and that's another site. I won't go into detail on that, most will know it. There's lots of other places in Australia, Gold Bullion Australia, they sell. ABC is another. If you have a look around and just go through the search engines, you can find various places. Right, when's a good time to buy silver? Well, this is a chart you should keep a look at. Kitco's silver chart. Most people following the silver market watch this chart. We've seen a bit of a drop off. It hit 25 and now it's just coming back a bit, which is good if you're a buyer. If you're a seller, you might not be so keen, but it is dropping a little bit. It'll be interesting to see where it gets the support level there. Interesting times. Plenty of volatility in the markets. This is a great site if you want to. They've got the live charts of gold, silver, palladium, even rhodium. But you can also get historical charts here, which can be really helpful. You can go to a yearly chart, monthly charts, or even if you really want to see the play, you can go multi-year silver hit, and you'll see the long-term trend line in silver. Here we go, all the way down, and we get these peaks coming up. We have the big drop when we had the global financial recession. That's industrial demand going down. But industrial demand's picked up and investor demand's picked up, and we see this. If you bought down here and you're holding silver now up here, you'd be laughing. But given where silver's probably going to go, even buying here's not a bad option. Long term, silver is going to at least keep pace with inflation, and certainly I'd prefer to have some money in my retirement account in silver than in the stock market at this stage. But everyone makes their own financial decisions. Okay, so that's a review of some sites. Just Google silver sites. There's plenty of sellers. Even contact people on eBay. I hope you enjoyed that video, and there'll be more to come. Don't forget to subscribe if you like them, and thanks for watching.